they're giving us here the volume of the hemisphere, and what I always like to do, whatever the volume is, if they give us the total volume, I just like to write that there, the volume equals to this. And the volume we can equate to a formula, right? Now, of course, in the formula page, it gives us the volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. Hemisphere is just half of that. So instead of 4/3, it'll be 2/3 pi r cubed. So equate the formula to the actual volume. What we can do then is, because we know that's the formula, we can put in values. So we use 3.14 for pi, and then it's just the r cubed, which the r we don't know, so we leave it as r cubed. So we have that there. So what I'll do then on my calculator, I'll work out what 2/3 times 3.14 is, and I get that, right, 2.09, and then what is it, it's like 3 recurring, isn't it? So that equals to 48.5. Now, algebra here, of course, then to get, next step is just to get r cubed equals, okay? And because you're timesing by this number, of course, take it over to the other side, and because you're timesing here, when you take it over, you'll divide, okay? So all I got to do with my calculator is 48.5 divided by the ants, and that equals to this, 23.1687 blah blah blah, okay? And then of course that's r cubed, so to get r I've got to take the cube over and do the opposite, and the opposite of cubing is cube rooting. Okay, now cube rooting on my calculator, you've got to press shift, right, and then press the square root button. If you press shift and square root, you'll notice in yellow above it's got cube root. So if I press ants, then it'll then give it to me. So r is equal to then, well, you can write down a few of these if you want to, right? It might be a good idea to do that, and then maybe we'll round it to 1 decimal place, because you know the volume's given to 1 decimal place as well, isn't it? So 2.9 centimeter. I was going to put cube there, but of course it's the radius, isn't it? It's measuring the length, so it's just 2.9 centimeters.